Hi guys, a very good evening. So this is 7 past 6 p.m. and I'm giving you the final update of the Bulawayo 12 appeal for today. So the appeal was heard in court today, Wednesday, 2nd August 2023, and our lawyers argued splendidly and beautifully. They tried by all means possible to make the judges understand what is at stake right now. So I'm going to give you the conclusion. Pezza Sairanya says the Supreme Court will make its ruling tomorrow at 12 p.m. in the Bulawayo 12 CCC candidates after hearing the appeal. So if you take a look on the facts which were presented, I did presented the arguments which were placed before the court by our lawyers led by Professor Mnangagwa. They did a wonderful job there. They exposed the regime, they exposed every loophole which is there, and we leave everything to the courts to either expose their capture or either to stand by the people and with the people. So the reason why we have courts is to bring justice. Courts must not be partial, they must be impartial, they must not take sides. Courts must bring justice, must bring a balance of things, and justice is about making sure that the aggrieved is given a fair verdict. So you see that the courts we now have, they now run a show of political organizations and political parties. They are now captured. They determine what politicians think in their minds and in their hands. But we applaud our team for standing up. Consulting ED, yes, we agree that whenever you see these courts saying we will deliver judgment tomorrow, most probably they will be consulting, they will be actually asking around to say how can we beat about my arguments, place and everything else, how can we present a better state capture theory. So you see kuti those are zviri, but we hope for the best for the Bulawayo 12. Zvikanzi panapa our courts so zvikanzi kunzima, zvikanzi panapa in consultation with zvikanzi siyave sikona Highlander ngekani, zvikanzi it's obvious judgment CCC now can easily endorse zapo, zvikanzi there is no hope for the Bulawayo 12. Dr. Mambona here zirori rakazara polisi riya ranga rakapaka panze peSupreme Court zvakadhakwa dog, zvikanzi kids kumbonowedzerwa mari. Okay, so Team Zimbabwe, it is what it is. Meanwhile, Comrade Ostalo Siziva continues with the groundwork in Ipelandaba. Was in 113 and working very, very, very hard. This is our call to say, even if you are dismissed, guys, even if the Bulawayo 12 are dismissed, they must continue to work. They must continue to fight for change. The same way they were doing, the same way they were campaigning, they should continue to engage with the people, engage with the masses, engage with the voters, to make them understand, to conscientize them about what we should take a look on the bigger picture, that is to vote for the councillors, that is to vote for Advocate Chamisa as the president. We really need to win this election by hook or crook, which means we don't need our voters to be devastated by the outcome of the Bulawayo 12. We need to embrace that judgment for the meantime, whilst we fight for the bigger picture, that is to win the 2023 elections for the sake of change. So myself, I have taught myself to accept whatever I am given, then work with it, turn it around against your opponent. So I thank these guys. They've been doing a wonderful job. They've been working greatly in Bulawayo and everywhere else. But like what I said in the afternoon, if the Supreme Court overturns this the High Court judgment, it means that the ZANU-PF 56 will have a lifeline. But if the Supreme Court upholds the High Court judgment, what it means is that we will be waiting for the application against Judgement which was made to be determined, so that if it is determined we get to understand the fate of the ZANU-PF 56 candidates. So if Rajimodi loses that case, you will see that it is going to have a big blow against ZANU-PF itself. A fact we need to take into consideration is that the application by ZANU-PF people was done way out of time, of the time frames available, but the court still entertained it. So without even condonation. So what it means right now, the application against Rajimodi does have the same circumstances with the application which was made by ZANU-PF people. So what it means is that the courts, if they are to be impartial, they cannot throw away the agent chamber application against Rajimodi as well. So this is a seekers. This is something which is embarrassing. This election, this 2023 election is embarrassing. We have never seen anything like this. It's out of any kind of standards, electoral standards, even the region standards, the country standard, or the international standards. It doesn't fit in anything of any which is standard. So Team Zimbabwe, it is what it is. We continue to work for change. We continue to build and we continue to work around the clock to make sure that we win this election for change. We bring Advocate Nelson Chamisa to the State House without fear, without favor, or compromise.